Hello, friends. This is Salil here again, and I hope you're enjoying your holidays. But frankly speaking, I am really very bored. You may see in the background that it has been changed and seems to be a new place. And if you think so, you're right. I have moved to my hometown Malvan as I was finding it risky due to high volume of COVID cases. Before our area comes into containment zone, we decided to leave the city. And even I have recorded my driving experience and I have posted my last video in our YouTube channel. If you haven't seen it, the link is in the description section. So friends, in this COVID-19 lockdown, many of us have lost our respective jobs or some of us are still working with a low or without pay. On 4th and 5th of August 2020, heavy rainstorm showed its presence across Mumbai and Konkan region of India where I am currently based. And on the stormy evening of 4th August 2020, I was standing on my balcony and was thinking about future prospect of my business. And suddenly I observed a honeycomb below one of an apartment. I was wondering how nature has gifted such a skill to honeybees to create a strong honeycomb in which not a single scratch has been observed. And you may watch the storm on the screen now. This was the type of storm Malvan was facing few days ago. What I have learned is that I have struggled for many years to earn money to survive in my workplaces, but at last the result was not as per my goals. But experience and knowledge what I have gained, no storm could take it away from me. So this is our life. Your employers might have left you in the rains now to be jobless. Not every firm in India is like Tata who will support you as an employee in a tough times. But your experience and knowledge which you have gained is like that honeycomb which will always stay firm with you. All you have to do is that stay firm in such storms. We always feel employers will select us based on our qualifications, knowledge and skills. But I will share with you the 3 life hacks which will help you select the right job instead of employers select you. Yes, my friend, it is you who has right as well as qualities within you to bring yourself on the right track. Friends, let me tell you a small interesting story. There are 2 friends, A and B, studying MBA in a university. A gets A plus grade whereas B gets A grade. So obviously A seems to be a very bright student. But during the time of job interview, everybody was sure that A will grab this opportunity due to his higher grades. But at last, the result was completely upside down. B gets that job. How? So the reason is that friend A was loaded with lots of expectations from his family and friends. But at last, he might have been rejected because of one of the 2 reasons. First is he might be overconfident, or secondly, he must have the fear of rejection because of peer pressure. On the other side, B decided to give his best in the interview and he didn't care about what his peer think about him. So, this fear factor may ruin your entire future. So, never ever afraid of rejection. Reason might be anything: high competition, corporate politics, groupism, or a recently trending topic of nepotism. If you're rejected, you have to keep your mindset that that job is not made for you, or it is better to assume that that company don't deserve you. Please keep this factor in mind, my friends. Every second person in India I observe work for fulfilling his basic needs. I simply mean to say they work for money. Some has no bank balance Some has to take responsibility of family, and I agree that without money, no human being can survive. But work passionately. I don't mean to say that work for free or do free internship. You have right for that money. But check where and which field is right for you. If you are confused about your career, then I recommend you to approach a good counselor for a career guidance. You will find target based job in almost every field. But if you found an employer talking exclusively about achieving targets or else no job, then I recommend that you yourself reject that particular job. If you are 100% confident about that role, or if you are good at selling skills, then no one can stop you. In case of your voluntary rejection, employers may trick you by demotivating you that you are loser or you are unfit for their firm. But my friends, no one knows you better than yourself. Most importantly, don't be in a fear of getting blacklisted from that particular firm. After all, it's your life as well. As the recruiter expect lot from you, then you also have to expect something from your job based on your life goals. It will be tough to digest this, but if you opt for such job, then there will always be a gun pointed on your career. There are always two sides of a coin, so don't get obsessed with what I said right now, as not every firm is like that. So choose your job wisely. If you love traveling, choose tourism as your career. Or if you love creativity, try for video producing, or you may even try for software or app development. What I have observed in India is that more than half of the people choose for a high salary job and end up sacrificing their personal life and passion. Freshers, please listen to this very carefully. Select an internship which will teach you working skills and make you career ready. Primarily, choose an internship which will guarantee you a job in their firm, or if they are not offering a job, then check that your work role and working hours must not be as long as employee on payroll. Don't forget to check stipend, my friends. And after the end of internship, ask them to issue an experience letter. This is my personal recommendation, my friends. Don't opt for unpaid internships. So, read the job description very carefully before applying. And at the end of this factor, all I would like to say is that don't follow others' footsteps. Stay focused on your career path. You will never know when the success will knock your door. While going for an interview, keep a mindset that you are applying a job for your benefit, and keep the benefit of an employer on a secondary side till you are completely set working there. Basically, in an interview, you are selling your skills, not yourself, my friends. All you have to do is that mention your skill set, and you may even explain them by mixing your job role with your hobby. If a recruiter sitting in front of you is listening to you very carefully and giving you a chance to talk, then this interview will take a positive turn. And more than interview, this gets converted into a discussion. Here, recruiter will mostly ask you questions related to your skills, and definitely you will reply to him confidently. I am definitely sure that with the generation of confidence, win-win situation is itself created. In this way, you may rock the meeting room. If you still can't believe this factor works, then let me tell you a true story of mine. In September 2013, I applied for an on-job internship at a very reputed travel company in Mumbai. And my HR manager and my reporting manager were so kind to me that they first gave me an opportunity to talk about my skill set. And guess what? I replied their questions very confidently and I got that job. I was not very confident before the interview, but the environment what they have created such situation that made me reply them back confidently. And guess what? I worked for them for 3.5 years. But unfortunately, I am currently not associated with my reporting manager's team and I really missed working with her. So, what I have learned here is that don't leave good people for a good job. Good job can't always support you, but good people can. I know many of us are not that lucky to have our dream job, but all I want to say is that keep on trying to get a good job for yourself, and one day your stars will be on your side. But if you are expecting a good job just by sitting at home, then I'm sorry, this video is not right for you. No efforts, then no luck. I have said one sentence in one of my previous videos. If you work following your passion, then your work will be more like a vacation. If you wish to view this video, then I have shared the link in the description section. Thank you very much for watching this video, my friends. I hope this video will help you in creating your future. If you think so, then press the subscribe button and along with that, press the like button below this video. Also share this video with your friends. Jai Hind.